step into the Chrysler 2014 Town & Country Touring L. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 40 GB hard drive W/28 GB available, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, audio jack input for mobile devices, CD player, DVD audio, MP3 decoder, radio data system and radio. Uconnect 430 CD DVD MP3/HDD. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.